facility. And then later on,
Yes.
we can go on the codependency counseling according to your view, a doctor's view. So first, would you like to
All
answer
right.
about the single client that we have?
We are currently, and we have always, in fact, treated every client individually. And currently, we are in our destination therapy, as Vandana had shared in the beginning of our session right now, that we are now in Dehradun and we are based from Dehradun currently, wherein we are focusing on our single clients. By single client, I would mean those individuals who would like to be treated alone for the sake of their anonymity and their absolute abject confidentiality. So our confidence for us in Anatta, the confidentiality, maintaining the confidentiality of the client and maintaining the anonymity of the client is of the highest importance. So those individuals who would like that to be maintained are treated individually in exclusive, luxurious surroundings, very close to nature, with a group of therapists as a team of therapists that go with the client. And we also travel with the client. Prior to the COVID situation, we would be traveling across the world. But unfortunately, because of the COVID, now we have chosen to choose different unique locales all across India. Of course, keeping in mind that it is the safest place where the current corona situation is concerned, that the least number of cases are there, and at the same time providing the similar luxury and ambience that the client is used to. Now, why do we provide this luxurious ambience? Because the client who comes to us, who seeks that individual attention, is already used to that kind of an ambience. So it is for him going from his or her home to another home. That plays a huge role in the client's mind wherein treatment is concerned. So the client finds it easier to relax into the environment, which is definitely new for the individual, with people who are definitely new for the individual. But at the same time, these are individuals who have gone through what he or she is experiencing currently where addiction is concerned, and have lived life beyond addiction successfully after following their own respective treatment processes. So the person identifies and gets inspired by the individuals around him or her. There is a physician available 24/7 in order to take care of the health of that individual. Also, so that one can be aware that, okay, if something is going wrong, if something is being affected, it can be attended to immediately. So, and it is in an environment which is like a home, away from home. There is everything that is followed on a day-to-day basis, which is non-regimented, which is in an absolute freedom-oriented environment, wherein the client, on his or her own volition, participates 100% in his or her own treatment process. So that is our single client destination treatment that Anatta is doing.
And I would also like the viewers to know, in the single client facility or the 1 or 2 client facility that we all are stationed here in Dehradun, even we as counselors, we are flourishing. The locales are very good for our own growth too.